Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. It's very easy. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to right click on the start icon and click on device manager. You can also open this window by go to search bar, type your device manager. From the search results, we need to click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand display adapters, so we need to click on this arrow to expand these and you will get the adapter, multiple adapters. So if you see the display adapter here, just right click on it, select properties, then we need to go to drivers tab, click on update driver, and then if you are connected with your internet connection, then select search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device will be installed. If this not work, then just go back and select the second option, that is browse my computer for drivers. Then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, this option, and select the display adapter model. You will get your graphics adapter also. You can select that and click on next. So it will refresh your window and it will take around 4 to 5 seconds to complete all the refreshment for your system. And once done, simply close this window and restart your system. After restarting, your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.